Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a shortcut on your desktop, especially for your favorite applications that you want to instantly open it, or you do not have to, or you are not going to search for it in the Windows search bar if you have the shortcut right here on your desktop. So like Google Chrome, I am not going to search for it again and again in the Windows search bar because I have just created a shortcut for it. So I just have to double click on it to open the application. Now, how can we do that? So if let's say for example, I'm going to create a shortcut for this application. Now let me choose Messenger. Oh, no, not Messenger. I don't want to create a shortcut with Messenger. Now let's say for example, I'm going to delete this first because this is my favorite app in here. And then search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. You'll find Google Chrome under the best match. Make a right click and then select Open File Location. And here you find this. What you can do is you need to make a right click and then select Show More Options. Click on Send To. Click on Desktop Create Shortcut. Now let's check. And here it is. We have just created a Google Chrome shortcut. Now let's try this with another application. Let's say for example, I have this because I don't have that many applications or programs in my Windows. That's why I only have this desktop shortcuts, which are my favorite applications. Now let's try with Adobe. So search for Adobe in the Windows search bar, Adobe Acrobat. All you have to do is make a right click and then select Open File Location. Now once you find that, make a right click and then you have to select Show More Options. Click on Send To and click on Desktop Create Shortcut. And now let's check. And there you go. You have just created a shortcut for the Adobe Acrobat. Another way, all you have to do is make a right click on your desktop. Then select New. Select Shortcut. And here we need to browse for the location. Let's say for example, Google Chrome. So let me uninstall this first. Let me delete the shortcut. Click on Browse. Now we need to scroll down for the path. This PC, Windows C drive, Program Files. Look for Google. Look for Application, and there you find Chrome. Now click on that, click on OK, and then click on Next, and click on Finish. And there you go. We have just created the Google Chrome desktop shortcut. So that's it. That's how you can easily create a shortcut of an application on your Windows just by two ways. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.